What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today was supposed to be the day I was gonna throw the B20 in the Civic, but we're having some issues. So instead of doing that, we're gonna do some other things. Pretty much this thing shouldn't be wiggling or falling out. I've literally spent all week trying to get this engine in the Civic and starting to get things ready, and some things just aren't going to plan. So I got some other things I got to fix on the BRZ, so let's get to do that. So if you guys have been around the channel for a while, there's one mod that I did to the BRZ when I started ordering a bunch of wish parts for it. I was trying some stuff and I wanted a look, and we got LED floor lights for the BRZ, and honestly, super cool. They were super cheap, but the question is, did they last? How well did they last? And do I even still have them? Well, I'm still making this video, so obviously they last and I still have them, but we do have to fix them because some things kind of didn't last about them. Also, make sure you guys check out my merch to stay motivated. It's what I say. Comfortable hoodie. It's only 30 degrees out here right now, and I'm still pretty warm. So basically, you come in the car, you turn it on, and I don't have my keys. You come in, you turn the car on, and well, they're supposed to turn on, and they didn't. Basically, the way I have these wired up is I have a two-way splitter for my cigarette lighter, so I can run my dash cam and I can run these without having to wire them in because I have no clue how to wire anything. So with that being said, if you open and close the glove box, sometimes the button gets pressed, it doesn't work. But the biggest issue I found was the tape on these. They like froze and then melted because of heat cycles, and that's how life works, and it doesn't look the best because it does this. If someone gets in your car and they actually kick that, all of it comes down. And you know, I've had that a few times and it ends up unplugging everything. So we're gonna try to mount these a little bit better. I do have some good quality tape that's been holding on my body kit, so this should be good enough. So we're gonna start just rewiring and making sure this is cleaner.